Hello everyone, I am S. Lalita, Assistant Professor of Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Application. In this video, we are discussing about structure in C programming. In this video, we are discussing about structure in C programming. Structure group related data of different types into the single unit. Group related data different types in single unit. It's an example. Instead we separate the many data we can use in structure in the group. We can declare many kinds of multiple kind of data types, likewise int, character, float, double, likewise. In this example, instead separate the variables for roll number, name and mark. For one student, we can use three kind of data types. These are the int, character and mark. It's to improve the code reliability and maintainability. Structure is used to improve the code reliability and maintainability. It's reduce the complexity management of multiple variables. Simplify data management. Structures allow treating the multiple variables in the single entity. For example, struct is the keyword of the structure. When we are using struct keyword, we can declare the structure name and then we can mention the data types, data values. Pause the entire functions instead of individual variables. It simplifies functions calls data handling. Structure program. For example, on structure program in C++, here as include stdio, we can mention the preprocessor, it's identifier, and then we can mention the structure. We can mention the preprocessor statement in the two kind of statement is the global variable and the local variable and definition functions. In this process, we can mention the variable and global size of data. Real world modeling in C program. C structure model in real world entities has efficiency. Structure models in real world entities are very efficiency. For example, it is the example of the structure. We can use struct keyword. Bill is the tag or structure tag, and then we can mention here multiple data types. These are float, int, character. Float is used for the amount, int is used for the user ID or customer ID, and character is used for address and name of the customers. These are the members of field in structures. Useful for applications like a database or inventory management, we can create the structure in C programming. Efficient management storage. Structure is efficient management storage. It stores the data continuously, optimizing memory access. The data can store it continuously, so the system can analyze and predict the values. More efficient than managing separate the array of each data type. For example, storing 100 students data in one structure with 3 separated arrays. Banding the alignment is a multiple increase of memory usage. Reliability and scalability. Structure or reusable access once we can declare in our program. We can access the multiple time our structure through the coding. Define once, use multiple times with different variables. Example, struct students can be used the multiple students, scalable complex program by nesting the structures or using pointer variables. Enhancing the code modularity. Structure promote the code modularity. Group data logically make the easier to debug and modify. Example, updating the student record involves the one structures, not multiple variables. It's facilitated teamwork to providing the clear data organization. The structure promote the modularity programming. It's the group that logically and making easier debugging the data. Enhancing the code modularity is why we are using structure is the organizations related data. Data can simplify management. It's used in real world modeling, efficient memory usage, reusability and scalability, and enhancing the code modularity. These are benefits of the structure. For this purpose, we are using the structure in our C program. It's a mainly things is used to create the minimum real-time problem statements like a inventory management billing system likewise. Thank you.